I return on a TV tray that has seen better days to showcase something that is simply appalling. It will awe you. I mean, Peter, Family Guy, by the Bindums Company, 3+. Peter Griffin, from the hit iconic American animated comedy series Family Guy, by Seth MacFarlane. What else can I say? It's the man himself. It's the man himself. Well, let's unbox this. Let's take a look. It's by Bindums. So I assume that he will be posable and he'll be able to bend him, as the company name states. And he's of course from Family Guy. And got Peter. Although it does not specify that it is Peter Griffin, I think we can tell by his apparel and by the context clues on the box that this is Peter Griffin from Family Guy. I think we can tell that. So this splash text here says it's bendable, it's posable, and it's collectible. So that's very appealing. And we have a warning here. There's a choking hazard for small parts, not for children under 3 years, which makes sense as that there's a 3+ here, which I could assume is relating to this. And here it says Sunny Days Entertainment, LLC. And I'm questioning this because this is claiming to be small parts. I don't see any small parts in here. I don't. But let's get to the other side of the box here. I got another Bindums logo, another Family Guy logo. Collect them all. And here we have Peter on one side and Stewie on the other. Peter and Stewie. But again, just like Peter, we can assume he is Peter Griffin. I think it is safe to assume that Stewie is Stewie Griffin. I think that is safe to assume. We have another Sunny Days Entertainment, LLC. This is distributed by Sunny Days Entertainment, LLC. P.O. Box. It's right there. It's in Simpsonville. And this is made in China. There's our website right there. www.sunnydayscent.com. And we got this, it's from China. And we got a Fox logo here, 20th Century Fox, Family Guy, and copyright 2019 20th Century Fox Film Corporation, all rights reserved. We have what seems to be a barcode here. This is item number 201963. Bindums is a trademark of Alan Rigberg used under license. So yeah, that's the box for you. That's the box. That's the box. So I say we get into it. And I hate to open this thing because it's simply going to lose all its value, just like the SpongeBob figurine that I showcased previously. It's just going to lose the value, but I think we need to get right into it. So, without further ado, and this is me. I have a plan to provide the least amount of damage that I can do to the box to preserve its value. Get a knife and make a nice clean cut under the plastic here. Let's get that done. Gonna get a nice even. Okay, it's not very. I wanna get it nice and crispy. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Let's get the man himself. I don't think I'm preserving any value here. But I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do. Let's take the big man out. See if we can pop him out of his tomb. Here he is. Here he is. My first impressions are, it feels a little bit rubbery, which would make sense as he is bendable and posable. And, of course, he's obviously collectible. We got some holes on the back of him. I have no idea why he has those indentions on him. But it says TM and copyright 2019 Fox. Some stuff, China. And we have some what appears to be some sort of yellow material here. And there's some more holes scattered on his leggings here. And the paint job here seems to be unfortunately, subpar. But I mean, what can you expect from China? I mean, they're commies, let's be honest here. Let's see the standability. Let's check out the posability and standability. How can he stand on his own? That is unfortunate. That is simply unfortunate. This is not... It was advertised to be able to stand just fine as is in the photographs, which is clearly not true because he's too bottom heavy. He just collapses. Let me try one more time here. Yep, he just collapses. He just collapses. But what about the bendable and posable aspects? Is he bendable or posable? He's bendable. He's bendable. He's slightly bendable. But he isn't very posable, I wouldn't say. He's not bendable to the point of posability. Oh! Look at that. Look at that. He's standing. So he can stand. I suppose I just wasn't doing it correctly before because he was standing oh, he fell down again. So I'm gonna have to rate that standability a low rating. I'm afraid I'm gonna have to rate that a 2 out of 10. But besides that, and the paint job, a bit subpar, but it's doable. It's usable. I think that this figurine from me is gonna get what can you really put a number on Peter Griffin? No, you cannot. You can't. I think it would be wrong of me to put a number on a product like this. So yes, this is Peter Griffin from the hit American animated comedy series Family Guy, created by Seth MacFarlane, and he will watch over me. He will watch over me. And that is it for today.